Hey guys, check out this video as I share the main things you need to know on how to apply eyelash extensions like a pro. For business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Hey guys, this is Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty, and I'm affectionately known as the Eyelashpreneur because I've been an eyelash specialist since 2008, and I have literally lashed thousands of women in that time span. And I had the audacity to start a beauty business doing this service that was not popular in my area when I started many years ago. But there is one thing that I teach my trainees that they must master in order to do this skill well. And it helps them to learn this skill so much quicker, so continue watching as I share it. Eyelash extensions can't be crazy and all over the place, and you don't want to have your clients walking around with a hot mess on their face that you did. Who wants to admit to that, right? So the one thing you have to absolutely remember and master is that you have to apply the base of the eyelash extension into the adhesive and then apply the base of that eyelash extension to the base of the natural lash that you have isolated. You are never going to always have the eyelash extension align perfectly with the entire natural lash because some natural lashes just don't line up that way. So it's all about the base of the extension to the base of the natural lash. In my years of applying eyelash extensions, and even still to this day, the majority of the lashes that I'm working with are not all perfectly pristine in length and density and straightness. A lot of them are crazy and curly like you can see in these pictures here. That's just the reality of it. So I can't have a heart attack about it. I can't lose my cool. I have to work with it. And I'm able to get through it because I know how the extension is supposed to be applied. So if you're going to be working with lashes like these, then you're going to have to remember that so you're not driving yourself crazy or driving the tweezers into your eyes or your hands out of frustration. So if you're holding the tweezers properly and you're picking up the lash at the proper angle, and you're dipping that lash into the adhesive and you're dipping and placing, but dipping the lash into the adhesive and placing the extension onto the natural lash and just continuing that flow, the eyelash extensions will be aligned and they will look the way that they should look, and they won't look crazy and all over the place and look like a hot mess. So that is my perspective on how to apply eyelash extensions like a pro. It's not the easiest thing to do, but it absolutely isn't extremely difficult. It comes with time and it comes with practice. But remember, this quickie video should not be a replacement in getting proper eyelash extensions training. I mean, let's face it, if you're wanting to do eyelash extensions, you're probably wanting to do it because it's not going to be a hobby for you. You're going to want to make money. So do you think it's cool if you take a free quickie training and then you're charging hundreds of dollars to your clients, or I don't know, maybe even charging 50 bucks, whatever. Invest in some training. I actually have spent tens of thousands of dollars on eyelash extensions training since 2008, and that includes the training costs, that includes the travel, that includes lodging, and all of those factors, of course. But yeah, when I look at my receipts, I've spent a lot of money over the years, but I look at it as an investment, and I've definitely reaped, so I'm not complaining about it. But what I have learned in all of these different trainings is that everybody learns differently. There are different learning styles, and it's not one size fits all. So I want to share something with you that may help you in your eyelash extensions professional journey. Because honestly, what I also have learned is a lot of those trainings have a lot of fluff to justify the cost. But I do offer hands-on training, and I have an online eyelash extensions training course, both of which you can check out. The links are in the description box below. You can also check out my eyelash extensions essentials guide. That link is also in the description box, and you can get your copy today. And comment below with the hashtag MOBeauty if you found this video helpful, and leave me a comment if you've been thinking about taking the training and you have some questions, or if you have taken eyelash extensions training and you're struggling a little bit and you just have some questions about things. Leave me a comment below, and I look forward to answering your questions.